The Hurco 415-0050-002 is a DC motor drive used in a Hurco Autobend IV from the late 1980s. We received this motor control with burnt up resistors and in need of a good cleaning. We rebuilt the entire drive, and as seen in the video, we are able to fully operate one of our DC test motors with it. At ERD, we work on a wide age range of equipment, and this one is relatively old, but we have repaired items that are far older. Additionally, we also see units that require extensive repairs that are brand new designs and only a few months old. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.